Hey everyone, we're Lito Lapay at Lifestyle Projects and Gardening. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're gonna harvest the spinach and the leaf lettuce nest plant. All right, let's get started. See all this, some of this spinach are growing now, and it needs to harvest them to regrow again. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut and grow method. That's what we're gonna do. But today's video, just harvesting, nothing special. Harvest some of this so it still continue producing. You can see the spinach here, and these are all mixed. I have leaf lettuce here with this the mesclan, and they're growing right now. And then I also have arugula here, rocket right here. So we're gonna, even this arugula, I wanna get some for salad. You can see all the spinach here. These are the rocket arugula, and these are the leaf lettuce mesclan. Right here, they're everywhere. There's more in there, there's more in there, and there's more spinach here. Look how big the leaves of the spinach right now. So we're gonna cut the outside, the spinach, just the outside, so they'll regrow again. The outer part, so the inner part, we're gonna leave that, those smaller leaves right there, the small. We're gonna put it in here. Okay, just get a space there. We're gonna start from here. Just gonna cut the outside, the smaller leaves. You don't have to just leave them. Like this one has, take this, the smaller they are, sweeter they are. So we're just gonna cut the outer part. There you go. Let's cut a little bit of this arugula here. Cut some of this arugula. They're actually crowded here. Just gonna, yeah, we're just gonna trim them. I mean, these are baby arugula. This is what we have today. Well, I pull this. This is the bowl right here. It's amazing, right? You have, maybe this lasts for 2 days or 3 days. Yeah, it's amazing to have you have your own garden, spinach, leaf lettuce, arugula in the backyard. Then you just come here if you want some salad. All right, that's the harvest: spinach, arugula, and mesclun lettuce. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Give a thumbs up to help my channel, and we will see you for the next video.